The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
The plants are moving along here on the line in Pleasant View at Stutzman's. We're joined with Ben Miller today. Ben, thanks for having us.
Thanks for being here. Doesn't this look cool?
It does look really cool.
We grow a lot of patio planters that are just ready to sit out on your patio. In a lot of different, we refer to as recipes in the varieties of things. What I've got here is we're planting some osteospermum, which likes cooler weather, but each one of these have 3 different plants rooted in it that are different varieties and different colors. So as we put 2 of these in a 12-inch pot like this, there's technically 6 plants as they grow, and as they grow, they come in within each other, so you don't have one color here, one color here. They literally come up together.
That's cool.
It's really good. But the root mass on these is amazing, and they take off incredibly fast. But I wanted to show you the early stages, and we'll take you on through as we go through the spring, as different varieties are growing, and our process that we handle them at that point.
Yeah. Well, it really is a well-oiled machine back here. No pun intended. You guys got a lot of people working. And this is what happens every day here. I love that you guys let us behind the scenes of anybody. Anybody can back here and see what you guys are doing.
Well, you know, the thing that I've thought about as we started this program with Good Day Kansas, very few people have any concept of what it takes before a plant gets to the store anywhere. And the labor of love that goes into we often refer to. But no, it's just something that just really, we obviously have a passion for what we do, but love taking people behind the scenes. This is really what it takes, and involved in getting that beautiful plant to store level.
I just also think the volume at which you produce is so impressive. People are going to be seeing these in your garden center locations opening up pretty soon.
We target for the 1st of April, and in fact the first Saturday in April we are doing tours through the production to where you can actually see some planting process going, but literally see the acres of plant material that's growing out here.
Always impressed with what you guys are doing here at Stutzman's in Pleasant View and all across the state. Ben, great to see you. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hi, this is Ben Miller with Stutzman's Greenhouse. Since 1956, our dedication and commitment to your gardening needs has never wavered. The passion for gardening is not only America's #1 hobby, it's a lifestyle too. We're here to help you year-round with your gardening needs. Have questions? Email us at questions@stutzmans.com. And to keep up with everything happening at Stutzman's, please join us at Facebook and visit us at stutzmans.com. From our garden to yours, expect success with Stutzman's. This is our promise to you.
Stutzman's Greenhouse, every